What's going on, guys? Miles here with Standish Cocktails. How in the heck are you? You see me? Yeah. What's up, guys? Back with another Standish review. So today, the friends over at Infuse Spirits sent us not one, but two spirits to try. That's right, it's a double tasting. It's a lemon infused vodka and then their grapefruit infused vodka. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but they actually have the peels inside of the bottles, which is amazing. They let you know it's real up front just at first glance. And then you sit these bad boys down and you read the back of the bottle and they just keep letting you know what it is. It's made from hand-picked fruits, the finest spirits, and rare herbal ingredients. All that means is they don't put no BS in their spirits. It's just strictly awesomeness with every sip. So let's go ahead, take this peeling off here. You guys know I suck at this kind of stuff. Just pop it right off. Yeah. There it is. Peel this off. Boom. Bye-bye. Boom. Sorta, kinda. Bye-bye. All right. You guys know the routine. She's being stubborn. Grapefruit, why are you so stubborn today? I thought we were homies. Savor the sound. So we're gonna go ahead and give both of them a nice little try. Oh my God. It smells amazing. Let's do the lemon first. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. This is delicious. Holy cow. It's almost like, you know when you drink limoncello and it's like a lemon bomb in your mouth, but you get some sugar too? This is kind of like that, but way more refined and almost more sophisticated. You get lemon all throughout every sip and it just develops really, really nicely. I'm gonna go back and get a second sip though, because this is good. Now, y'all, it's summer. I really, really, really like grapefruit. So I'm hoping, matter of fact, I'm predicting that they're not gonna let me down with this one. I know it, I see y'all. I believe in you, I believe in you. Let's do it. Listen, y'all gonna stop playing with my emotions and my taste buds. Wow, really good, guys. It literally tastes like just like a fresh picked grapefruit. Like it's like just a burst of citrus immediately. And it just lingers. Like I'm sitting here just because you're just tasting it. It's just kind of just hanging out on your palate for a little while. For someone who's like a vodka rocks kind of person or a vodka soda type of person, this would be the spirit for you. Both of these would be the spirit for you. If I had to pick, I'm gonna pick grapefruit just because I'm partial to grapefruit. But in general, the flavors in this are incredible. Super duper amazed by this. You guys have an incredible, incredible product. I definitely recommend you guys going to grab a bottle. Y'all got my business, that's for sure. Once again, to go back, no dyes, no syrups, no artificial ingredients. Yeah, guys, cheers. This is amazing. I'll see y'all in the next review.